Whoa, yeah. Whoa. Late nights in a foreign place, staring at the sky, thinking about the dusty roads where my roots still lie. Gokwe sun would kiss my face, mornings felt so free. Now it's just these memories that keep on calling me. Mama's voice in the distance, calling me inside. Papa's dreams on my shoulders, I still carry with pride. Every laugh, every tear, every lesson we knew built the man I'm becoming, everything I pursue. We came from nothing but hope in our heads. Now we're chasing something we barely understand. I miss home, my lovely home, down in Gokwe where my heart belongs. All the faces, all the love we've known, feel so far but it made me strong. I miss home, the joy, the pain, every memory runs through my veins. One day soon we'll meet again, build it up, make our parents proud again. Whoa, 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 whoa. We will link up at Junior, laughter in the air. Njagu or Spar, no worries, no care. Nyandingwe just talking dreams, planning out our lives. Now we scattered around the world, just trying to survive. Chikunguru courts, we play till sunset glow. Tennis, basketball, giving it our all. Police ground, football days, just beneath our feet. Every loss and every win just made life feel complete. Baba kept a hotel, stories never end. Kambasha nights, just chilling with the friends. Go Chicago with the boys, or hunters just to vibe. Those simple little moments now feel so hard to find. We had it all and we didn't even know. Now every memory is deeper when you go. I miss home, my lovely home, down in Gokwe where my heart belongs. All the faces, all the love we've known, feel so far but it made me strong. I miss home, the joy, the pain, every memory runs through my veins. One day soon we'll meet again, build it up, make our parents proud again. Through the struggle, through the grind, we carry Gokwe in our minds. Every step and every plan is for the place that made the man. We'll come back stronger, you will see, with vision, love and unity. No more distance, no more alone. We'll rebuild our lovely home. I miss home, my lovely home, down in Gokwe where my heart belongs. All the faces, all the love we've known, calling me back where I belong. I miss home, don't you see? That place is everything to me. One day soon we'll all return, light it up and let it burn. Whoa, 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 whoa. Gokwe, I'm coming home.